A contractor found $3,000 worth of dangerous electrical work hidden behind bathroom walls. He could have worked around it. The elderly couple would never know. Instead, he showed them the fire hazard the previous contractor had left behind. They couldn't afford the repairs. He knew that, but he also knew they could die in their sleep if he walked away. So he fixed it anyway, for free. The job that should have made him money left him breaking even. Other clients got angry about delays. But word travels fast in small towns. Within a month, 5 neighbors called asking for estimates. They all said the same thing. "We heard what you did for the Johnsons." A real estate agent started sending him every referral. His business doubled in a year. He hired 2 employees. That $3,000 sacrifice became the foundation of everything. People asked him why he didn't just hide the problem. He said, "Cutting corners would have saved me money for a month. Doing right built me a reputation for life. One choice changed everything. Not because good deeds always pay off, but because integrity always pays forward."